Welcome to the lesson on data collection. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to debate the importance of quality control in a manufacturing environment and recognize the 8 basic dimensions of quality. Data and statistics drive every aspect of quality control. The entire process involves data collection, graphical representation, descriptive analysis, graphical analysis, and interpretation. Understanding and performing each of these steps is important for many constituents in a manufacturing environment. A production technician might be in charge of the data collection and tabulation, while a manager or engineer will be responsible for the analysis, interpretation, and presentation of the dataset. However, the demand for a production technician to be able to perform all steps of the quality control process has increased in the past years. Data collection is the first step to determining the quality of a process or product. In a manufacturing environment, it is not always feasible to test every part produced for every important characteristic or specification. Testing the entire population of the product would take enormous effort and time. Statistics tells us that if we take a large enough sample or subset of the population, it can tell us enough about the population to draw adequate conclusions that will impact decision-making. Statistical theories inform both the sample size necessary for a certain test and how to obtain a random sample. A random sample is a sample from a population in which each product or element has an equal possibility of being selected. Before you can start data collection, you first must determine what you want to test a product for, or in other words, what aspect of the product's quality are you going to measure. In a manufacturing environment, you might be asked to measure and control for many characteristics in a product. There are 8 basic dimensions of quality shown here. They are performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, and perceived quality. We will discuss more on these aspects in the upcoming slides. Performance is defined as the ability of a product to do what it is intended to do. Examples of this could be speed, acceleration, or motor output power. Features refer to secondary characteristics of a product that are desirable for a consumer, such as regenerative braking, parking assist, etc. Reliability is defined as the consistency in which the product performs within its specifications. This can be measured by a part's failure rate or time between repairs. Conformance refers to how a product meets specifications or industry standards, such as making sure the battery capacity is within standard limits or whether the exact width of a brake pad is correct. Durability refers to the life of a product or how long it lasts, for example, life of the drive motor, high voltage battery, etc. Serviceability refers to the ability of a product to be easily maintained or repaired in case it fails. This can be measured in ease or cost of repairs. Aesthetics refers to the look and feel of a product, such as its color or style. Aesthetics are always important to the consumer. Lastly, perceived quality is what customers think the quality of your product is despite its actual performance. Perceived quality is very important to a company. Any previous problems with products or services will diminish the value of future products or services which that company can produce. All of these individual dimensions of quality must be considered when discussing the overall quality of a product. In summary, data collection is important to the quality control process. Before you can collect your data, you must first identify the 8 basic dimensions of quality of a product: performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, and perceived quality. This will aid in determining how the data you are collecting is important to the overall quality of a product. Thank you.